Hey guys, this is Super Flashlight. I'm back again with another Bachmann review. Another non-rail vehicle, and this week's non-rail vehicle is Harold the helicopter. So as you could see, Harold, he is quite accurate to the show. As you can see, here is his face, which is an emblem face like Annie Clarabelle, Troubles and Trucks, Season 1 only, and some Season 2 episodes in the Slip Coaches. You can see his windows, where his pilots sit. So, he's white. He's got a red lining that goes under his face and all the way to his tail. There's his name, Harold, his door, and red lights. There's his other windows, his floats, and I think those are like little wings on his tail. And up top, his top rotors, which are gray, red with white stripes, a screw, his top with details, and on the opposite side, you can see his tail rotor with the same colors in the screw. He does look pretty accurate. And the bottom. So yeah. So this is not really a gray, but despite Harold with the fitted floats, he's never been seen floating on screen. I think they're also known as skids, but they didn't add his wheels. So for Harold the helicopter, he was released in 2002, the same year as Birdie the Bus was released. But there's not that much to do on him, except you can spin his rotors like this. He whirled his arms and buzzed away. And then Harold can take off like this. Up into the sky he goes. And he lands. So, not that much to do on Bachmann Harold the helicopter review. You can't really see the copyrights. It's just, well, it's kind of hard to see. If you can edit my video, I'm pretty sure that you can see it very well. Okay, well, that is my Bachmann review on Bachmann Harold the helicopter review. See you for the next review episode.